Just a moment. Before my daily show to disturb me. All right, hello guys. How you guys doing? How is everybody? Sorry, I've not posted this update on YouTube. I think I've only posted on, I think WhatsApp and Instagram. Okay, so I decided let me post here on YouTube. Okay, there's an opportunity I'm going to give to like just 10 people. I think I already have one person. And for those who are my students, taught how to trade Bitcoin before now, but you are no longer trading, you should hit me up. Let's ginger your swagger. But before you hit me up, listen very well to the requirements. Okay? It's been over 4 years now since I've last talked about Bitcoin. And I have my reasons for not talking about Bitcoin. Okay, I have my reasons for not talking about Bitcoin. At a point, I think I lost 2 of my bank accounts to Bitcoin because of all those government whatever things. So that's why I stopped really talking about it. I don't like stress. I don't get liver for stress. I don't like things that are stressing me. I don't like. So not that I don't trade Bitcoin, I trade, but it's on a long-term investment trading. So only once in a while I do everyday daily trading with small amount. So for the opportunity coming up, because by the time Bitcoin hits 100,000, there's going to be so much right now, safe like now as it is. The opportunity is there, plenty opportunity to make money with Bitcoin. Now, I've explained this on Instagram. So if you are following me on Instagram, you can go and watch my live section. I've talked about how it works. Okay, Bitcoin trading is quite different from binary trading. But the reason why I like binary more than Bitcoin is that binary, I don't need big money to trade binary. With as little as $10, I'm good to go. Okay? With that, okay, like yesterday, okay, today, yeah, today, it was even today, it was not yesterday. So it was today, early today. Okay, it was earlier today. Like earlier today, I had, like yesterday, one of my robots made like $4. Okay, I usually wait for it to be like $10 before I collect. So I'm supposed to wait till tomorrow for another one. Now, $4 is what is there. So I took the $4, traded with the $4, was making 30 cents, 40 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, till like it become $5. Then I started making 30, 50, 30, 50 cents. And before you know it, I grow it up to $10, $12. So once it was $12, I collect ASAP. Now, that $12, 20 cents is like how much? 20K. Yeah, it's like 20K. That's 20K for today. I'm okay. Very okay. Now, is it that you cannot make more? You can make more. Of course, we can make more. But you see, sometimes you should learn to know yourself. Some of us, we are very greedy. I get shifted title for greediness. So I know myself that sometimes when I'm supposed to stop, I'll continue. For instance, if it was like before, you see that $10, that $12, I will not collect it until it gets to like 20 or 30. That was like before. But because I was only playing around with my signal supply, and I think I only traded 2 indices, 175. Okay, because I've been building up the signal setup on 75, so I had to trade it to be sure we are okay. Now, what's the reason why I'm explaining this to you? You see, there is trading binary option you can use as low as $10 to start your business. Yes, and my signal subscription is as low as 1,000 per week. Okay, and you can use as low as $10 to start trade. But you see, for Bitcoin trading, you need average minimum over $200 minimum for Bitcoin trading. You need average minimum of like $200. Now, before now, I think the last time I ever talked about anything Bitcoin trading, whatever, was 2020. Whether 2020, 2021, I can't remember, but it's been over 4 years now. Okay, it's been over 4 years that I've spoken last about trading Bitcoin and stuff. So, but because I'm observing that a new trend is coming up that will be very, very beneficiary to people who can enjoy it. Now, if you have money somewhere or you save money in the bank, it's just there in the bank. You have more than, I think $200 right now, let's just say maybe 400,000. You have 400,000 naira, you kept in the bank doing nothing for you. You can use it to trade. Now, I need you to understand this. I only have space for 10 people. I've done this announcement on Instagram. It was only pasted on my status before. Some people have said they are interested, but I've told them you need to come to me with your minimum capital first, over $200. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you need minimum of over $200. The more, the better. Even if you have $5,000, it's better. Okay, it's better for you. The more money, the better for you. Now, you are not going to be giving anybody the money. You are not giving me the money. For those who have taught Bitcoin trading before, they will know when they come for the training. Okay, let me show you for instance. You see all those pictures you're seeing there? Those pictures you're seeing up there, they are all pictures from Bitcoin trading. Okay, only Bitcoin trading. In fact, I don't think I had it. Wait, just a minute. I'll show you now. Okay, I don't think I had anything from. Okay, this is for Abuja, Abuja training, Abuja, Lagos, Lagos, Abuja training, Lagos training. Okay, they are all when I was training Bitcoin. So somebody may say, oh, Mr. Faith is trading, was trading Bitcoin. In fact, before Bitcoin got to like 40,000, that was 2017 or 18. I'm already telling people, I'm waiting for 40K. It has not gotten to 20. It hasn't gotten to 20K. I was waiting for 40K. It has not gotten to 100 since I just didn't want to talk. I just said, let's wait till 100. But now, I think I should allow few people, because I have time. From now till January, I still have free time. So I felt I could handle 10 people free. Now, it's a free training. I'll tell you how it's a free training, and I'll tell you the requirement. Now, for those who have taught before, you have abandoned trading, hit me up as well. We'll pick it up from where you start. Okay? I taught you how to trade Bitcoin, but you are no longer trading it. I will guide you how to go about it. Now, the reason why I stopped talking about it, and I told them, okay, before I stopped, even Derek, the people I taught at with money, okay, 2 of my accounts with money was flagged due to that crypto nonsense. Government started looking into cryptocurrency stuff. So I stopped talking entirely about crypto. Okay, I stopped because they were looking into it and doing stuff like that. So I just stopped talking about it. So anybody who want to do on your own. Don't follow too much. Now, but you see, for binary trading, why did I stop talking? You are no longer seeing me like you used to see my video before. Why is that so? Okay, that's so because number one, for some of my students, I stopped talking to them because I kept repeating the same thing. years, I was saying the same thing. Don't be a Montula. Don't be so adamant to do the wrong thing. They will tell you do it like this. You will say, yes, you've heard. Formally, you are doing it. And all of a sudden, you will just change and start doing your own agenda. And at the end of the day, if it did not work out, you will now start feeling like, how does he even make money? I think there is something to this thing he's not telling us. Meanwhile, they told you do A, B, C. You are introducing D, E, F, G. I did not know before that A, B, C get to Z. I did not know before, Abi. So I kept doing the same training, the same revision, the same whatever. It's the same thing I'm talking. See, people do not have problem. It's the same problem every one of them has when it comes to trading binary. The same problem. Greed. Not listening to instruction, not following instruction. And what most people don't understand is this: whatever you practice for your first 3 months of learning, that is what you are going to be practicing. So if you practice going outside your plan, going outside the plan, when you are using small money or even demo or even paper trading, you will do that same thing when you start using real money. Nobody can deliver you from it, because it's part of what you incubated your brain with. That's what your brain knows. If you've seen it, do it. So sometimes it works, sometimes it will not work. That version will work most times. Out of 10, it will work 4 times, not work 6 times. So because you were opportune to experience 3 or 4 times, you think it's working. It's not. And most people are greedy. You tell them do 2 to 3. They will do 10 trades. Say, I'm winning, I'm winning, I'm winning. Yes, today you win, tomorrow you win. By the day you are ready to now scale up, you will now start losing. All the profit you've worked for, they've disappeared. You will now be wondering, I don't think this thing is that favorable. Yes, that is just the summary of derivative trading. Now, I want to explain 2 things to you about this thing. The difference between Bitcoin trading, derivative trading. Do I do both? Yes. Which one is better, or which one would I recommend? It depends on your kind of personality and how much you have. Now, you see, Bitcoin trading requires minimum $200, $300 as a starting capital. In time past, those $200 like that, you never even reach 100K. In time past, you never reach 100K. Okay, as at then, $100 was like maybe 35,000, highest then 35,000. So 70,000. You already have. So I usually tell people, if you have 100K, you're good to go. So $200 right now, minimum. If you have more, the better for you. Now, capital, I need minimum of $200. How much am I looking at making? Let me break it down for you. Imagine you making 2% per trade every day. Let's even say you are trading for 20 days in a month. 2 times 20, that's 40%, Abby. But meanwhile, I need you to understand that you are doing what is called compound trading. Okay? When you make $4, $5, $6, you add it to all your money. You use everything to trade. So there is what is called compound trading with Bitcoin. But when you make profit, you trade with your profit and your capital. You are trading with everything. So not that you are reserving one or whatever. You are always compound trading. So you will always get more than 50%, 60%. Their period or their season, you can even make 120, 200%. Now, this is not crypto trading. I need you to understand there is a difference between Bitcoin trading and crypto trading. Okay? Yes. Is Bitcoin not crypto? Yes, Bitcoin is crypto. It's a cryptocurrency. You see, crypto trading requires you can trade any crypto, regardless of whatever. That aspect, you can even start hunting for new cryptos that are coming up to buy them early, buying into them early, so that when they launch them, you get to make good profits, good return. That is not what I do. I do not hunt for all those new crypto. I only deal with Bitcoin trading, and every cryptocurrency, old or new. New means as new as maybe 3-4 years ago, that are linked with Bitcoin, that Bitcoin has heavy influence on, such as, let's say, do you know why Bitcoin has influence on Dash, on Litecoin, on SRP, or even on Doge? Do you know why Bitcoin has on Bitcoin Cash or Ethereum, why it has influence on all these coins? That whenever Bitcoin moves, they move. Those are the kind of coin I can trade. Before, I only trade only Bitcoin. Okay. Why do I trade them? I trade them because they also move and they flow. They dance to the tune of Bitcoin movement. Now, and they are cheaper. Are you getting me? They are cheaper. They can give you 5%, 10% in a day. Bitcoin right now can give you maybe 1, 2, 3, averagely 3% every day. And you need better money from $10,000-$15,000 upward to be able to, enjoy trading only Bitcoin. Now, there are two kinds of trading involved in this kind of trading. Number one, there is short-term trading, okay, which is within a day, okay, is within a day, highest to a week. It's all short-term trading, meaning we require to take action within the shortest period of time based on the movement of the market. Now, short-term trading will always give you the maximum profit, but it requires you to do the daily biddings. But you see, there is the other part, which is long-term trading, meaning that one starts from a month. It's counted in months, not days. Okay, counted in months. It can be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 8 months, 12 months, which can result to a year, half a year, whichever, but it's counted in months. Now you see, somebody who do long-term trading does not trade every day. It only trades buy low, wait for the market to get to the highest price, and then you sell and collect your profits. So for instance, let's say you have 100,000 right now and you buy Doge. Let's say you bought some last month. You bought it last month. By this month, you want to sell. You would have made profits. Now, the profits may vary based on the movement of the market. But whichever it is, that once you buy low, the market will always go back up, and you will be able to make profits. That's why we say this strategy is simple. You buy low, you sell high. You cannot buy high and sell low. It's loss. That's loss. Okay? But when you buy low, you sell high, you make profits. So all the money we are making it all off from ourselves based on the level and the standard of our patience and tolerance. Some people come they are in a hurry, they are scared, they are afraid, they sell at loss. There are some people, they are impatient, they can't wait again. As they are seeing their money go down, they sell at loss. So all those loss that some who have gone into crypto are saying crypto na your mate, who do you think collect your profits, your loss? There are people in the market that will collect your money. Are you getting it? It's like collecting from somebody who is impatient to give to somebody who is patient and calculated. So all you need to master being able to trade Bitcoin is to be patient and calculated. Trade based on the principle. Now, the principle I'll teach you is very simple. It's something you too can practice. But the only thing I'm going to be training you and teaching you, I'm going to be guiding you on how to buy, how to monitor, how to know when to buy, how and when to buy, monitoring what you bought for take profits, for you to make profits, how to monitor what you bought, how to monitor when you are selling, how to sell, when to sell, what to sell for. Now, it's just like saying, let me say you buy Bitcoin right now, and you had only 2% for it on top. So you may make your profit or within, you make that 2 or 3% within 2-3 days or highest 1 week. That's for Bitcoin alone. Now, but for the smaller cryptocurrency that flows along with it, you can make that 3% in a single day. You can even get to do it 3 times, 4 times. So it varies. It is not specific. But let's say you are working with just one. So there is always an initial setup target. But there is something the market will give to you. Are you getting it? There are people who are trading Bitcoin. For instance, like my brother that trades Bitcoin full time. That's, he no get liver to do dairy forever. The reason why most people don't have liver to do dairy is because of greediness. But I love dairy. Do you know why I love it? I love it because I need to spend less time. I don't need to spend hours. You see, while I'm waiting 1 hour, 2 hours to get my 2% profit from Bitcoin, I don't finish my trading session. I don't forget, say I don't trade. And I've made 15%. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? But as fast as it is, it requires principle, dedication, and commitment. Stick to the rule. Not overdoing it. Not doing it anyhow. Don't get greedy. Take small. The problem why most people cannot trade it is because of greediness. Not because it does not work. It's greediness. So remember, I've mentioned for Bitcoin trading, you need your phone with internet. Number 2, you need capital, minimum of $200. The more the capital, the better. So if you have 2,000, I'll teach you. You have 5,000, I'll teach you how to run it. Easy. That you'll be trading 2 to 3 trades every day. You will be moving the market. You have any capital above $4,000, you will be moving the market. Okay, on our trading platform, you'll be moving the market, like you'll be collecting woto. By the time you do 1 month, whatever it is you are doing now, you will consider the trading equal to whatever I gave you that money to trade. Because it will be making you good profit. The more money you have, the better your earnings. So when I don't have enough money, I stick to the one that I can use $10, $50 to trade and it will still give me money. So when I make a lot of money from that one, I put it in this one and I'm making money in 2 directions. Derive Bitcoin. So once you have your mobile phone internet access, then you make sure the third one, which requires the training that I'm going to give to you, okay? Now, the training, I'm only charging a token. In fact, a token of $5. You see that $5? If you now wish to give more, give me more money, no problem. But you see that $5, I'm not going to collect it from you until you have made $5. Hello? So you can see that it's actually free. I'll teach you how to make the money you used to pay. So it's free. I'm not even charging you money. I'm not saying you will pay me $50. I'm not saying you will pay me $100. I'm not saying you will pay me whatever dollar. The reason why I'm putting a fee to it is so that I don't want plenty people. It's just 10 people. Hello. Even all of you combined together is $50. Is it $50 I cannot get or I don't have? It's not about the money. It's about the commitment and the process. So I'm going to be teaching you, it's a one-on-one. Hello, it's not a group thing. Because people don't easily learn with group thing. I can provide information in group wise, but I don't want training in group. Except if I realize that, okay, probably you and you are sharing the same time. You will have time to go over your session the same time. I'll combine you together, no problem. But it's a one-on-one training. And you can easily do it via your WhatsApp. Hello, you can do we can do the training via your WhatsApp or via Telegram, whichever you prefer. Are you getting it? Now, but the key thing there is this. You need to have your minimum balance. ready and available to start before I can start with you. So if you don't have minimum balance, you cannot do Bitcoin trading. Now, if it happens that you don't have such amount, you don't have 400,000 or you don't have $200 to start with, guess what? You can do derivative trade with as low as $50, even $10. Okay, with as low as $10. Now, although I have robots, I don't want to deviate. Let me just give you the main real things. I've talked about the first one, your phone with internet, your capital over $200. Then the training, which after you have learned and you have done, you get to send, you get to pay a token. Okay. Now, the fourth one, which has to do with you have to have at least 5 to 15 minutes every time you get a notification. So meaning you have to be available. Okay, you have to be available with your phone. No, you are not going anywhere, just your phone. When you say you receive notification, okay, that the market has gone up, expected you to take, so that you can, benefit from that going up. All it requires is your active response to notification. And you are going to be taught how to handle this notification. Yo, baby. Say hello. Okay, so you have to react to the notification. So that's the fourth thing. You have to give attention, okay, to notifications when you receive them. Once you have those four things, you are good to go. All you need to do is send a DM to me. You send a DM to me. Oh, DM any of my numbers. Just DM me. Send me a message. Oh, I have the requirement. Oh, I want to get started. Period. Remember, I only need 10 people. I can only accommodate to, because these 10 people, I'm going to be dedicating 5 to 15 minutes every day for you. So imagine I'm dedicating 1 hour, 2 hours daily. And there is limits. I'm going to train you. We are going to trade together. It's not your first 5 trades. We are going to do it together. Hello? So meaning, if you are making 2% per trade, hello, look at it like this. You are making 2%. 2% of 200 is like $4. Let's say you are making $4. It means together, I'm going to help you. We are going to make 4 times 5. $20 together. So even if I say I want to collect money from you, I should collect that $20 because I made it for you. But I'm not going to do that. Okay, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show you. So when you see the money, you will see, oh, it's real. Oh, okay, so this is how it works. That's how it is. So for those who now you don't have such an amount, but you still want to learn to make small money, then I will recommend you use my Signal service for derivative. Okay, for instance, right now, I've got a notification. SRP has increased by 2%. If I had placed a trade on SRP, right now, I would have made 2%. Not even 2%, maybe 3%. Are you getting it? I've been notified. I can go and take action. I'll just go to the platform, check my position. Oh, they've sold to me. Let me queue again and buy another one. So that's what you're going to be doing day in, day out. I have people that do this. This is the only thing they do. They don't even go to work. Go work where? That is the work. And they are making cool money. You will make cool money. It will be like, if you have good money, oh, you will make better money. You have $2,000, $5,000. You enjoy yourself. It is do it yourself. Hello. I'm not going to be doing it for you. I'm only going to guide you your first few trades so that you see how it is. Then when you are now trying to trade, you have issues, you call, we chat, we talk about it, I'll guide you on it. So that's how it works. But you see, I only have opportunity for 10 people. I just didn't want to refrain the opportunity to posting on my status, Instagram. I think a lot of people on Instagram are already aware about it. I've even gotten more than 10 people telling me they are interested. And I've told them the requirement. Once you have it, buzz me up, we'll get started. Now, it's not costing you anything as far as I'm concerned. It does not cost you anything. Okay, other than for you to have your capital. So if you have any spare money, savings, or whatever money you have in bank, not yielding anything, you can use that. You don't have any risk of losing. Okay, the highest, if you bought a market right now and you're not making profit, I'm going to teach you how to exit on time. I'm also going to teach you how to do long-term trading. You don't want to do short time. You don't have time maybe to be checking your phone every day and buzzing or distraction. You can be trading in the night. When you get home, you are getting ready to sleep or you are relaxing, whatever. It can be that period you're going to be doing your own trading. So it doesn't have to be all through during the day. Are you getting it now? So that's the way it works. Those are the major requirements. So it's not really about your money or whatever. I'm not interested in your money. Okay? I'm only interested in people participating and enjoying the trend that is coming. Okay? The trend is coming right now. I may not be able to give you the breakdown of the trend. But when the trend comes, you want to enjoy the trend. If you want to enjoy the trend, participate with me. So we'll enjoy the whole thing together. Alpha, how was school today? Did they give you assignment?
Yes.
Have you done your assignments? Okay. So it's as simple as I've just explained right now. Although they do have robots for Bitcoin trading as well. I've built one before, but I stopped using it because I was doing a long-term trading. It was not really necessary. For long-time trading, I have the time I need to do all the long time. But for the short-time trading, the robot needs to be very active. So I want to prepare myself for the robot for next year, maybe February, March. So I'm preparing for the robot already on ground. I have a robot already on Derif working. I've tried multiple times. I think I've tried almost 4 or 5 times to get many people also involved. And the one I've involved plenty people, guess what? It always didn't work. At first, maybe it's working, then all of a sudden, it will just stop working. Then early this year, April, I think I discovered the trick these people are using for me. So I had to build my own structure, build my own charts, build my own analysis. I built it on my server. So every signal that you see, go to my signal service. It's coming from my own. You see how you have MT5 that has charts, different time frame. So I have that myself. So I have my own MT5 that analyzes the charts, whatever, so that I'm not working with the one Derek provides. The one Derek provides, sometimes when they do their upgrade, they do Ojoro. They did that Ojoro, which I saw this year, that made us experience huge losses on the robots we were running on. So since I discovered them, I said, okay, no problem. So I'm going to, what I discovered was that one affected the one I connected to Buck Trader. Only Buck Trader. Individual trader was not affected at all. So those are some of the things that made me now say, okay, this is what you are doing. So now like this now they do. That's what made me change. That's what made me change the structure and build my own stuff and say, okay, I'm going to generate my own chart myself, generate everything, but I'm going to work with only your value. So I only get their price, their life price on their website. That price is what I now use to construct my time, my chart, then form my analysis, form my signal strategy, entry, whatever. I have to restructure all that for both touch, goes outside, signal, whatever. I think I even now started showing interest in digit stuff and all that. I have some digits running right now, safe. Just to test them for a long time. So there's digits that is running. I don't so much like the digits. I still prefer the goes outside compared to the digits. But for the goes outside, if you're looking at, let's say you don't even have enough money, okay, to start off trading. Maybe you even have $50 or $30 or $20 safe. To subscribe for my signal is just like 1,000 for a week. Now subscribe, trade 3 signals per day, but make sure your barrier gives you 5%. Anything 5.5, 5 point whatever, let it give you 5%. Do that for a whole week, and then come and tell me what you see. Okay? I'm not louding my signal now at all. No, they lie down. We wait because I'm loud with. I know they loud. If you believe. If you don't believe. If you use. If you don't use. Let it concern me. Something that is working for me. If you know work for you, you don't concern me. It's not my problem. It's your problem. Are you getting it? It's working. That I know. And if you want to check, you can check my reports. I also have the reports there. In fact, those reports, they are now getting heavy. They are dragging me down. I need to remove. Once December hits now, I will remove this year's reports and leave only fresh reports. Those reports, they are now getting very heavy. For page to load now is now taking small time because it's heavy. Imagine you have recorded over 10,000 tweets. What are you saying? I have the records there. You can go and check. Okay, it was before that I didn't keep the record there. I have the records on CSV file. So now I have the record directly on the website. You will see it yourself. So you can earn as little as you want. Even with, let's say you don't even have money. Let's say all you have right now is 20,000. 20,000 naira is still like $10. You can make money. You can make money with 20,000 naira. Okay, let me give you an instance. 20,000 naira. Divide it into 4. You have 5,000, right? That 5,000. You try and make 15% of that 5,000, so will give you like 750 naira. So imagine you making 750 from your 20,000 every day without stress. But the problem is that when you make such, it looks very small. And you that you are doing it, you forget that you are doing small. Sorry, don't mind my baby. It's our playing time. So I no get choice. So you that you have 20,000, you now want to start using that 20,000 to make 100,000 because you have seen plenty people on the internet or YouTube telling you can earn 100%, 150%. Why you not go meet them? You want to use my own setup to be making 100, 200%. I used to do that before, but you see, that way, you will always ever be greedy. I'm telling you, I know. You will always ever be greedy. Go and check all my past videos. Me, nowadays, I was now even looking. I'm now trading in a day. I'm trying to make 10% or 15%. I'm wondering, I'm looking, I say, I've changed, I've evolved. Me. The lowest I aim for is 100%. So if I'm trading with 20%, $10, I'm trying to make another $10. 100%. I don't trade small, whatever. I like to get 100%. So it took me time to adjust. It took me time to adjust, to even say, oh, let me settle for this thing. It took me time. So if I'm telling you start small, that way you will be profitable. Okay, if you start small, you will be profitable. It means, let's say you've mastered how to make 750 from 5,000. By the time that 750 become another 5,000, it means now you can start trading with maybe 7,000 or 10,000 to make it more. You don't suddenly say because you have made 3 days profits, you now change your stake to, let me start using 10,000 instead of 5,000. No. Because you have not experienced a loss. You have not seen how you will undo a loss. Yes, will a loss happen? Yes, a loss will happen. But you see, to prevent a loss happening frequently, maybe in 100 trade, you will get 1 or 2. That's why I've been expecting losses on, I'm still waiting for 25. I've seen 100, I've not seen 25. So if 25 did not happen this month, it means it should happen next month. I have not seen. That's for my robot. I'm expecting it. Why am I expecting it? Because it has traded for like 2-3 months without any loss. So I'm expecting that there will be one stubborn loss, that it will not move, and it is on random. It is not like they put it. So to avoid it, I'm always looking for it myself. So I've created my system, my strategy, the way my robot trade. It looks for that loss or any loss close to that loss. It looks for it. Trade it virtually first. After then, we will now do our trade. So we try as much as possible to avoid the losses. So you can make money whichever one. But the thing there is, you need to follow the rule. If you want to make money, so if you are interested, even if you don't have money for the Bitcoin, you are not in for the Bitcoin, just send me a message for Derek. You create, you get signal, test it out. It doesn't even have to cost you anything. You want to test it out to see how workable it is. You see the challenge, I'm still repeating myself, the challenge is majority of people do not follow the rules. That's why they don't make money. They make money this week, they lose the whole money next week. They know that they can make money. They've seen themselves make money. They've seen themselves make money. But they see all themselves use it when they do not expect. Okay? So for you to be profitable, I'm just telling you what is required. Those are the 2 options I have for you. Those are the 2 business I do. Hello, I don't know any other business. This has been what I have been. You see the board you are looking at, that's the strategy, the setup for, I'm supposed to review it next year. Okay, that's the strategy for dairy. But you see for Bitcoin, it's buy low, sell high. So there is a way we buy, there is a way we sell. There is what we monitor, there is how we monitor our buying, monitor our selling, positioning. It all has to do with notification and how fast we respond. That's why I said you must get time. So if you find out you are the type, okay, I want to do Bitcoin, but I don't have time. I can only have time late in the night. Good for you. We schedule, I'll teach you how to do it in your own available time. That's why training is individual based. It's not global initiative. At the end of the whole month, when all of you have done 5 trades, meaning I'm going to be doing over 50 trades. Okay? I'm going to be doing over 50 trades. So after I've done that trade, I'll now put all of you together. So that if there is anything, you are not talking, you are standing in front. So if there is anything new, while opportunities are even available, I will announce, I'll push you. Have a look at this coin right now. There's an opportunity for you to make money. Blah, 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 blah. I'll be posting you and informing you. But the main thing there is that if you have bigger amounts to trade with, you will enjoy Bitcoin. It's not stressful, it's not strainful. It allows you time to do anything you want. Binary is also not stressful, not stressful. The only thing that makes it strenuous is the status of your mind. If you become greedy, it will be strenuous. In fact, you will not even endure. You will not endure. Okay, you will not last. That's the honest opinion. Okay, so like right now, I only have one person from all the, maybe I think 10 or 15 people who have messaged me they are interested. I've only had one person who had come back with the requirements, which is one, mobile phone with internet access, minimum of $200 above. Once you have that, just beat me. Remember, sorry, is my finger. Once you have that amount, just send me a DM. We'll start your trading. You are not going to pay the token I talk about, that you're going to pay token $5. If you now decide to want to give me more, no problem. But that $5 only after you have made that money will you give me. Are you getting it? You are not going to pay until you make money. It's free. Imagine me telling you, you make or you pay. I'm supposed to collect money before I make money for you. Because if I make money for you, finish now. Teach you everything now, finish. Make no pay me. Why I decided to do that is just to build your confidence so that you understand, you have confidence in what you want to do. Okay, it's not about the money. It's about the process. So I'm going to teach you process by process, step by step. What to do when this happens, what to do when that happens, how to handle this, handle that. We will go over the process step by step. So if you're interested, you buzz me. If you have a question, please, you can go ahead and ask. I don't know this, I don't know how, can you imagine? You people have been sending messages. I did not see any message, yo. Hello, I did not see any message, yo. I'm just seeing message now. Can you imagine? I shall wonder that I'm not seeing any message. Sir, will you be doing tutorial as you usually do for binary, for Bitcoin trading as well? Yes. And it's going to be on individual basis. That's why I'm saying we are going to be doing over 5 times. You're going to be buying, selling. That's 10 times. Okay? We are going to be having and each section will normally take like maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, for a person. So we are going to be taking that time. That's how I'm going to be going over it. For those who are interested also in derivative trading, there is a way I'll teach you. Okay? You only have to, the main part is control from your hand. Control from your hand. If you follow what I tell you, you will find. Kende, good afternoon. Pius, afternoon. Where have I been? I've been around the binary forex free tutor. Not a problem. Once you are ready, I know you've been following me for a long time. Once you are ready for the Bitcoin, make sure you have to make it very easy. Okay, because I cannot teach you without having money in your account. You need to have had that fund available. Once you have the fund available, it's easier to teach you. Your first trade, you will be able to make profit. Okay, it's easier. But if you don't have, I will not be able to teach you. For those who are interested, just DM me. I've told you the requirement. Remember, your mobile phone internet, you have minimum of $200 capital. You may now be wondering, so how much will I be making? You are going to be making over 50% every month by yourself. Oh, Mr. Faye, since you are an expert on this thing, now, do it for me now. I've traded Bitcoin for people. I've traded Derek for people. I'm no longer interested. It stressed me out. And it doesn't make me give you even the best results. Sef. I don't enjoy myself. I don't still give the best. Okay, the last copy trading that I think I even did, people were able to get like 20%, yes, 20% return. Okay, per month. Monthly, 20% return. And I just felt like those things were stressing me. That time, sef, I only did that to also verify some of the assumption I was having with binary stuff to find out if it will work that way. So for me, I'm not always myself when I try to trade for other people. But what I can do conveniently is to teach you how to do it yourself. Okay? So if you are interested in Vanessa, if you are interested in the Bitcoin, make sure you have minimum of 200. If you have more, the better. I bet you even if it is spare money you have, savings, I would rather recommend you save. As I did like this, I don't get money for Nigerian bank. I no get money for Nigerian bank. I no go lie you. Now only money for expenses. Now here I do. I no get money for Nigerian bank. It does not pay. They will not give you anything. I rather buy, for instance, last month, Dodge made me, it turned 100 to 200. That's free money, 150k. No, 170k. Free money. So, what say you? But I have it in bank. They don't give me anything. So they will even, on top of that, say they will even be collecting 200, 500, short rationing the money to not be complete again. Yet they said they are going to give me money on top of the money if I save it with them. So I don't do banking. I do crypto banking. Okay, crypto banking. It's better. It's safer. You want to save money. I'm not talking about money you use on a daily or regular basis. I'm talking about, let's say, money you want to use to, let's say, money you want to use to save for something important for 2 months, 3 months. Invest it. But don't go and invest and buy anyhow. I'll teach you how to know when to buy and how to buy. So that when you buy, you're buying low. And then by the time you wait for 1 month, 2 months, you're good to go. So that's how it works. Very easy. So once you are interested, please send me a message. I'm just seeing all your messages. Sorry. The chats normally pop up by itself, but I wasn't seeing anything before. So maybe it was my settings, but now I've seen all of it. So I'll provide training. The requirements are very simple, and don't forget, it's just 4 requirements. It's the same with, now let's say you have $200, you don't have $400, you don't have $1,000 to start Bitcoin trading. It doesn't mean you cannot do binary trading. But you see, binary trading, I think it was on Instagram I told them this. My first 1 million that I made, was, I say 1 million, bam, 1 million cash, complete. Not 500,000, 1 million, one bulk. It was even 1.5. My first 1 million was made from Bitcoin trading. Bitcoin, yes. I'm showing you the picture now. Those are not even from training derivative, binary trading. No, I had plenty training from binary trading. These were for Bitcoin. If you are coming from my Bitcoin trade, I'll tell you, you will make nothing less than 5%. That same day, you will collect money as you dey go. When you come, before you reach your house, you will make profit. That was how it was. Okay, and I told you the reason why I stopped it. All my students then said, in fact, I'm trying to access back the group. I'm still looking for which account I use in creating that group so that I can access it back. Maybe talk to them again, because there is a wave coming. Hello? There is a wave coming. And based on the news, there is a wave coming. Crypto is going to do very well in the next 4 years. Due to Trump, it's going to do very well in the next 4 years, awesomely well in the next 4 years. Okay, you will observe that there are so many crypto, so many coins that have been quiet, been roaming up and down for a long time. It's due to the current administration of the United States of America. They are fighting most of them. They want to control them. They are making life difficult for them, even after they've been in operation before their tenure. So there is a change. Shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. So if you want to partake in that boom shakalaka, the earlier you jump into before the movement starts. Let me give you a hint. When it gets to above 100,000, if it does not come down immediately to 80,000 or less, if it gets to 100,000, if it does not come down within a week, if it does not come down to 80 or so, it's going to shoot to like 120, 140. So meaning within a month or so, somebody can even make 20% from Bitcoin alone. Are you getting it? So, and during the uptrend, let me point something out for you. In the Bitcoin trading, the way we trade, it does not matter whether it is uptrend or downtrend. Hello? It does not matter if the market is on uptrend or downtrend. You will make money all the same. While the market was low, poor, moving within 30-something, whatever, you will still be making your money. It does not stop you from trading. Okay? Only when you enter, now you will know. Okay? It is not something I announce. Okay, so after these people now started, okay, I will tell some of them to, if they want to share their testimony, to share. I'll share with you. You will now see. Okay, they don't necessarily need to share video or whatever. Just screenshot of, this was how my account grew. This was what I make in a month. A trial will convince you. No, their testimony will convince you to get to know more. Okay, because if I want to share maybe screenshot or testimony that I have, they are old ones. The last time I was really active about Bitcoin, whatever, talking to people and all that. There are people who are trading that I taught how to trade Bitcoin. They are still trading right now, making millions every month. Millions every month. Okay, so guys, do you have any question? Me, I want to sign out. I've spent 1 hour. I only have one person so far, so there's still room for 9 people. I still have 9 space left. 9 counts down. So there is only room for 9 people. So I have a session with one person now. I think once I go off right now, we'll have our session. So guys, that's the whole process. So from me, I'm saying, see ya. You guys know it's been a while. I've been up and running, stuff like that. It's been a while. I know. As for my bots for dairy, it can only be connected to personally. Okay? I have people connected to it now. Before we've made profit like $15 from $10 stake. We've made like 15. Then we had one loss. So I said I'm still expecting 25 to give me loss. Although they've upgraded the server, so it has already changed. Before, what we are trading for gives us 5%, whatever. Right now, it's giving us like 2.5% or 3%. And I don't want to change it. Okay, I don't want to change it. For 75, it's doing well. For 100, I've not had a 75 there. So I only have 125. 100 is doing well. Only had one loss since about, when was that, Seth? Since of March or something. Since March. Okay, since March. So it has had one. So I'm still expecting, you see, out of like maybe 10 kind of losses, 10 type of losses, I have devised a way to minimize it to 3. That 3, I'll divide another system. I'll divide another system to only 1, IS2. In fact, 1 safe. What IS I've seen is 1. So that 1, I've not been able to devise how to catch that 1. If today I get how to catch that 1, it's going to be flawless. And when it's flawless, I will not even shout. I will not even talk about it. Okay. Once it's flawless, I will not even talk about it. Aboro talk about it. Aboro want to change it for me. No, I don't want them to change. They've been changing it for me all this while. They've been changing and dancing together. Changing and dancing. I don't want any dancing again. I just want to enjoy the whole matter. So guys, I'm signing out. We're signing out. Say peace, peace. We're signing out. If you're interested, just buzz me. Send me a message and we'll get started. Remember, you need to have over $200 to get started. The more the money you have, the better for you, the better for you to earn. God bless you, and I will see you another time.